what's up? I just tried to stream a live stream, but technology completely failed me, so whatever. I'm just gonna shoot a quick video and say to you, thank you. Last week I recorded a video telling you that we needed just 40 people to hit the 2,000 mark, and I am happy to tell you that we have done it. Yes, DanishTube is now at 2,000. Whoa, yeah, it's a reason to celebrate. I'm gonna take the camera because I dare and I can, and show you here. Oh, can you see? Let me see. There it is. Oh yeah, what a beautiful sight. 2,000 people following my YouTube channel. It's amazing. Thank you so much. And basically, this is just a short video to say thank you. I know people have been congratulating me last week, but it's not really about me, it's about you, because you are the people that have been supporting me and backing me up, giving me inspiration, giving me likes, leaving comments, thanking me, sending me emails. It's because of you guys that I've continued to develop the channel, that I've spent a lot of time thinking about what I want to do with the channel, what format is best, what works, what doesn't work. And you know, I've tried so many different things over the past few years, and I would say these past few months is where it's really started to work, and things have started to fall into place with the new podcast, getting this community, starting to build this new community, the green room meetings we have once per week. It's really amazing. I also have personal other things that I kind of want to do. I'm of course continuing with Danish. I'm teaching several times per week. I don't know, maybe 10 students right now, and I will continue to do that. But I can also sense there's some other things I want to do, so you can look forward to that. I'm maybe going to create a new channel where I do some other stuff as well. But for now, I just want to invite you to a meetup next week in Zoom to celebrate this new milestone. A little milestone, but a big milestone. For me, it means a lot. So I'm thinking next week, on Saturday, maybe at 9 PM, I will confirm it in the chat box below. You'll be able to find links to the Zoom meetup with the password, so you can just come and log in. So come and join me, bring something to drink, whether it's wine, whether it's water, whether it's tea, coffee, which I just finished. I don't know why, but I'm in this routine where whenever I'm on camera, whenever I'm in a video, I have to have something next to me. Kind of a bad habit, but whatever. Come and join me next week, celebrate with me, have a little chat. We will speak in Danish and English. We can mix, we can learn a little bit, but it's more about just connecting in a relaxed environment where you can use your Danish. So sky's the limit. I hope to see you there. And thanks again. Let's continue this journey of Danish language. Vi ses i den næste video. Hej hej. DanishTube.